You guys, what is up? How are you doing?
Hey.
Hey.
Hi, Blake. Nope. Hi, Blake. And hi, Nick.
Yep, you got it.
Yeah, you got it. You got it.
Yeah.
We're all here,
Oh,
like
wait. It is
together,
backwards.
doing a little live thing here in our Facebook group and on YouTube. It's a good day to see you guys. So
It is.
for Blake, let's take a second, and there might be some people that might not know who you are. Why don't you introduce yourself really quick?
First off, how dare they?
I
No,
know.
I'm just kidding. So my name is Blake Polino. You may know me as Blake, the editor from How to Film Weddings. I've been behind the scenes editing and helping produce and writing a little bit of copy and being homies with these two dudes for the last, I guess, couple of years now that we've been doing this How to Film Weddings gig. So yeah, that's who I am.
Yeah. Blake is the third leg to our tripod.
Video reference.
Yeah.
Video reference. Yeah.
I can see Facebook Live. I can see a bunch of people over there. Hi, Facebook Live. We're also doing this over on YouTube. So if you're watching on YouTube, leave a comment below. But it is a big day. And in your title, Nick, you do say something. You say, big announcement, $1,000 giveaway. And we'll get to that in a second. But it is always good hanging out with you, too. I know that, Nick, you're in Kansas. Blake, you're in Texas. I'm in Oklahoma. We've been covered with snow and ice for quite a while. So
Yes.
I'm excited to see your bright, shining faces.
Yeah, with no snow and ice to stop us from seeing each other's.
Luckily.
Yeah, we've been trying to have this live for like a week at least. We've been trying to get this set up. And so I'm in Texas where Snowmageddon 2021, Snowvid, whatever you want to call it, has definitely put a damper on our plans to do this. So we've been planning on doing this for a while. But for the last, I don't know, 5 days, I've at any given moment not had any of the three basic utilities. We've either had electricity and not had internet or whatever. So yeah.
I love that internet is your basic utility.
Yeah.
I didn't say water, and water was like probably the biggest one. Like our whole city ran out of water during this. And I didn't even mention it, just internet. We had no internet forever.
Yeah.
And then cell phone service went out. So it was tough.
Yeah. Well, glad you're doing okay. I know a lot of people are hurting right now. So hope that everything gets figured out, as best as we can, as soon as we can. And so we, we have an announcement. We're giving some stuff away. And John, do you want to kind of talk a little bit about what we're up to and what we're doing here? This was kind of your brainchild a little bit. So
I'm gonna
let you run with it.
Well, I'm always down to run with things, of course. Yes, we are. As we pour more into education, Nick, myself, and Blake, you guys don't see Blake as much, but he's just right there with us on all the things. Whenever Nick and Blake were in town last month, we started really talking about YouTube and how we're going to be pouring more information into the How to Film Weddings YouTube channel, the How to Make a Podcast YouTube channel. But we also were talking about how we each respectively wanted to have our own YouTube channels. I launched a YouTube channel in September, all about finance, stuff like that, and I'll talk about it in a second. But for myself, and I keep pushing and saying, Nick, you need a YouTube channel of your own. Blake, you need a YouTube channel of your own. And as we were together, we just started bouncing ideas off of each other. And so we're here to announce that as of this moment, the three of us all have brand new YouTube channels for you to enjoy, and there will be links for you to subscribe to all of them. And as a big promo to welcome Blake and Nick to YouTube and myself with new channels, we are giving away a $1,000 Visa gift card to one person that does the following: that subscribes to all three of our channels and fills out a form at howtofilmweddings.com/YT launch. So it's on the screen and we'll put it in the notes. But just as a fun promo, YouTube loves whenever you get to 1,000 subscribers. They love whenever you get to, a lot of people interacting and stuff. And so as a bonus and fun promo, the first 1,000 people to sign up are going to be entered. You just have to subscribe to the channels, give us your email so we can send you the gift card if you win and you're entered. And we will pick that in the next few days as soon as we hit those numbers. I think that's the announcement, right? I just took it.
Yes,
Yeah.
that is the announcement. We are doing a giveaway. So you go to this URL. We will be sure to blast this all over the place. You need to subscribe to our 3 channels and then fill out the little form on that page. We wanted to take a minute and just talk to you about what our channels are. And so if you're interested in heading over to my channel, you can click on the How to Film Weddings link, or you can go to iamnickmiller.com and it will auto redirect you to my YouTube page. But I am talking all about goals and, dreaming big, setting goals, and then accomplishing those goals. My tagline for the channel is "Hope is not a strategy." I know that I have gone through a lot of my life with just, I hope to make $5,000 on a wedding film, but then I don't do anything about it to get there. So that is kind of what I will be talking about. I have a few videos up there. My goal is to post about twice a month. So that is what my channel is all about. John, why don't you spend just a couple quick minutes to talk about yours?
Yes, if you don't know or not, I'm a big fan of the business side of things, money, how to generate more money, how to creatively generate money with business. And so my channel, I launched it in September. And then it's been growing. I've been putting out videos basically all about how to make multiple streams of income, how to make it through COVID and get through this with extra money, how to pay off debt, my debt-free journey. So it's all around my businesses, how I'm growing, kind of recaps of what I did the month before, and hopefully inspiring people to grow their business. And so that can be found over at johnbunn.co. Really excited about that. That link will take you straight over to my channel to subscribe as well.
And Blake, talk about your channel.
So I think any of us in this industry are lying if we don't say that we all have had a plan to start a YouTube channel like forever. So this is something I've always wanted to do. I've always wanted to have a YouTube channel just to talk about some different things, right? So like if you want to learn about gear, there are literally thousands of channels out there to learn about gear. Now, it's not to say that I'm not going to talk a little bit about gear, because I do love it and I love the technical side of things. But what really interested me in this is I started weddings 3 years ago. And about a year after that, we added a commercial filmmaking brand. And then about a year after that, we added a real estate photo and video brand as well. And so I spent 10 years in corporate America doing sales and marketing before I got into this artistic area of being a filmmaker and running these businesses. And when I first got started, I was blown away at how much education is out there. Like there's just so much that you can learn about gear and editing and the technical aspects. But what I saw was this really big divide, and pretty much everybody that I know in this industry struggles with this. And that's creative entrepreneurship. It's figuring out how to price yourself as a creative and then also running a business, because whether we admit it or not, we're artists, but we're also small business owners. And so that's what a lot of my channel is going to focus on, is finding these really tangible ways to grow your business. And we've been super fortunate to have really grown over the last 3 years, and it's been a really accelerated growth, and we've been really fortunate for that to happen. And I want to just kind of share some of the things that I've learned going through that process that I hope will help other people who are a lot closer to that same place as I am. You know, I haven't been doing this for 20 years, but I've been doing it for just a short amount of time. So it's really fresh, and a lot of the things that we have found successful are still really, really relevant. And that's what I hope to bring to the channel. And the frequency, it's going to be twice a month starting out, maybe a little bit more, kind of depending on how the content goes and how my schedule goes. But yeah, super excited. So you can find all that information right here at the bottom of the screen. It's blakepolino.co. That's going to take you direct to the YouTube channel, and you can subscribe. So I've already got a welcome video up there, and we'll have some more content coming out in that really soon.
Yeah. So
And
I've been getting
Nick,
it
there's
out
to you, Nick.
The question has to be asked though, Nick, is
Yes.
How to Film Weddings shutting down? That's the question that always comes up.
Yeah,
Are we
I guess
shutting it down? Is there any more free stuff?
Absolutely, it's not shutting down. I don't know if people were asking that question, but now they're going to, because you brought it up.
I mean, when we announce something that we're, up to, are they shutting down? Is the content, the free stuff going to go away? No, we're giving you more free stuff, and it's really exciting. So yeah. I like making the jokes.
I got a note that my mic wasn't loud enough, so I turned it up. Hopefully it's better. We'll see. I don't know. But this is what we need you to do. Go to howtofilmweddings.com/YT launch. That stands for YouTube launch, in case you didn't catch that. And there you can subscribe to all 3 of our channels and then fill out the form. Whenever you do that, in a few days here, we are going to make an announcement and let you know who the winner is of the $1,000 Visa gift card. So
$1,000.
$1,000.
That's not a small number. That's a good number. I mean, that's as creative as I know how to get as many people to join us on our journeys of our own YouTube channels as possible. So
exactly. So
you
guys, thank you so much for tuning in to this quick little announcement. Blake, John, do you have anything you want to add before we hop off of here?
Yeah, you just want to subscribe to my channel first. Just do subscribe to my channel.
You're probably already subscribed to John's channel, if we're being honest. He's got a 600+ person head start on us, but
don't let them catch up with me. No, it's great. I'm so excited.
Well, that's a good note to end it on. Subscribe to Blake and Nick. You have to subscribe to John if you want to win, but he doesn't need it like we need it.
That's awesome.
I don't know.
Thanks, guys.
All right. Thanks, guys.
Right. Have a good day, everybody.
Soon.